And yes, guys, I finally got Wreck Deck at Target today, along with the Alien Invasion. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. This one's so cool in person. Wreck Deck, part of Monster Rise. It should have been Legacy, so pretty cool it is. Tech Deck, Wreck Deck. Nice casting in person. The back I showed, collect them all, of course, Real Truck for Action, Monster Jam, and then Series 45. This one is so cool. I love it. Let's go ahead and open it. Ooh, that feels really nice. So here's this Tech Deck, and is that metal? Is that the chassis right there? Let's just paint it. There's guys, Tech Deck, Wreck Deck, Monster Jam logo, and then actually has grip on top. That's cool. Let's go, and then Tech Deck, white BKT printing, red roll cage. The front of the board. The feature I like is a monster under the board. I don't know, it looks like a Yeti of some sort, like the purple monster. Metal base, of course, a plastic body. Yeah, is it plastic? Yeah, the only metal part is this. That's the difference. So yeah, pretty cool, guys. This is a cool casting that they did, Monster Jam. Monster Jam logo's right here. I love how it actually has grip. Like, it feels like a real skateboard. So I guess we'll pick this up. Part of Mix 45. Wait. Yeah, Mix 45. Alright, guys, so that's it. This one's a really nice one. I like this one, like the detail's so cool. And yeah, I like the chrome painted, it doesn't have B-locks, this one. It just has a rim. Is that the chassis or just painted? Okay, just painted. I guess hope you enjoyed these 3 unboxings I did today. More coming soon. Peace out.